Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to modify or to uninstall or install an app on a Samsung Smart TV. It's fairly simple to do. This is a Clarity, but it doesn't matter if you have a Crystal or whatever version. So on the very bottom left of your screen here, you're going to see like the home settings, the three little lines. And so what I want to do is go to the four little dots that has apps on it. And bear with me because my remote's broken. So I'm going to go click on the four dots there where it says apps. Click OK. Now it's going to show all my apps. On the very top right of the screen there's going to be a little gear shift there that's settings. So we're going to go all the way to settings right there. Click OK. And then you're going to choose the app that you're going to modify. Let's say I want to modify Prime Video. I go down and then I could either delete it or I can reinstall it. Now if it's an app that it came with the factory settings that you bought it brand new, you're not able to delete an app that's already part of the system that it was bought with. For example, Netflix, it came the Samsung TV came with Netflix. I'm not able to delete it. So Crackle, I'm able to delete because it did not come with the TV. Or I could reinstall it and I can view details. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.